guys, welcome to LivLaughs. Today I got a surprise for you guys. We have Purrmaid Assorted Putty Collection. 3 packs in 1. That's pretty cool. If you're new to LivLaughs, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And always leave a comment down below if you liked it. I think we should review what putties they are, right?
Yeah.
So, can you guys read them out for me?
Heat Reactor Putty.
Tidal Wave Putty.
Bubble Putty.
I'm actually super excited to open this. So, let's begin. Whoa, that is so cool.
I love your heat reactor.
I'm gonna open the Tidal Wave. So, start opening them. Well,
I can't.
you can't? Okay.
We're gonna help you out, okay?
So let's open that one first. This is the Heat Reactor Putty.
I really can't open it, but I have a bubble. You help?
Yep. It's a bit hard to open. Whoa!
What was that all about?
Wow, I didn't know it wasn't this. But let's open it up.
Can I open mine?
Yeah, we'll open yours in a minute.
Wow!
Look at that come
It's
out.
purple and perfect. It's like butter putty, actually.
Wow, that turns out so nice.
I did not know what I was expecting, but I thought it was going to be red.
Whoa, that is so nice.
So it's heat reactive, so we have to see what happens when you put it between your hands and squish it for a bit.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Let's now start off with Liv's.
So that, folks, is the Purrmaid Putty. Now, for the Tidal Wave. Oh my gosh! Wow, that looks amazing. I'm gonna open that up. Oh yeah, that is awesome.
Can I feel?
Whoa!
Awesome!
Awesome.
Oh, I like that one more than that. It actually feels like butter slime, right? This one feels like butter slime.
Whoa, look at that.
Butter slime is so hard, and it doesn't even stick to your clothes. So good, butter slime. I actually want this one to be mine.
I'll put this here.
It's so melty.
It's so nice and see-through when you actually take it out.
Yours are so glittery.
I want it. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, all the extras. Look at that stretch and glow.
Look at mine.
And it's see-through when you actually look through it.
Look at that. Butter slime. Butter slime.
Okay, now for the last one. I just have to keep on trying. How can I open the other ones and not this one? Whoa! That is amazing. It's like all clear. Let's open that up.
No way.
Whoa! Awesomeness is happening here right now.
Can I feel?
Clear putty is for all of us. Whoa, that's a lot of it. Ah! Woo! We opened the beautiful bubble putty and the Tidal Wave putty. It is so stretchy, so clear, so beautiful. I think it was a good choice to get this.
Mine is starting to change color if you see.
And mine
is stretching.
Okay, that's a lot of stretching happening here. Wow, this Tidal Wave putty is just amazing. So now that we've finished by opening the beautiful putties,
Let's play.
we're gonna first, well before that, we're gonna say our favorite ones. Well, my favorite one was the Tidal Wave because it was like so shiny, so blingy.
And my favorite one was the bubble putty. My favorite one was the heat reactor putty.
What is your favorite one? Tell us and drop it in the comments down below. I hope you guys liked our video. Thank you for watching and see you guys later on LivLaughs.